This is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting package we just received in the mail. I just wanted to share with you my unboxing experience of this phone, so stay tuned. So I received a package in the mail from eBay, and this phone just came out, and I wanted to show you my unboxing of it. And let's go ahead and open this up. So I have my trusty box cutter here, and I want to be careful to not cut the actual box because I want to show you the actual presentation. And since it came straight from China, it has all the bubble wrap and things attached to it. That's taking a while to open up. So I'm just going to gently cut each portion here. And this black box, I'm sure everybody's familiar with who's into phones like I am. But today we introduce you to the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Yay, I have it. All right, so a little backstory, guys. I decided to purchase the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is one of this is a Chinese company that competes with Samsung, Apple, Oppo, Vivo, and this is the the third of the flagship phones that came out this year. So the first one being the Samsung S25 Ultra, the second one being the OnePlus 13 from OnePlus here in the United States. And then first of the Chinese phones to come out with their Ultra version of their phone is Xiaomi. Now, if you're familiar with Xiaomi and you're familiar with my channel, I definitely buy Xiaomi products. Last year, I purchased the Xiaomi foldable, so they do have a foldable phone. And I've had the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which was a great phone, and it definitely gave me pause to the United States selection of phones, whether it be iPhone, Samsung, or Google. But this is definitely one of the phones I'm very excited to try, and just the colors, the software has been great. But let me stop talking. Let's unbox this thing. But actually, before we get to the unboxing, I just wanted to tell you how much I paid for it. So I ordered on eBay, and this is a global variant. So this is not the Chinese version because I just can't do Chinese versions anymore. I need my Android Auto. I need my Galaxy Gear watch, Android Wear accessories. I can't live without it. So if I'm going to pay this much money for it, I'm definitely going to make sure it's a global variant. So they were gracious enough to create a global variant. And this one is $1,346. I ordered it probably a week or two ago, and it came in the mail very quickly. I've purchased my Oppo Find N5 from this same company on eBay. And if you comment below if you want to know the eBay user I used in order to purchase this. But that is the full price I paid, $1,300. But without further ado, let's go unbox it. So we have our traditional Xiaomi 15 Ultra box, and we got the nomenclature on the side, and then the Ultra. And then this tells you what version I got. So with most Chinese phones, they come with at least 16 gigs of RAM. They do have a variant of 12, I believe, in the past, but I don't care about that. 16 gigs is the starting point for me. So this one is the Silver Chrome edition, and as you can see, it's 512 gigs of RAM. And let's go ahead and open it because there's nothing else to see. Now, one thing I like about these Chinese companies is that they don't skimp you on the box presentation. Now, Xiaomi has like the skimpiest of the box presentations I've seen, but all the other ones are a little bit more elaborate, but it's fine. So we have our traditional box. Now, one thing about these Chinese companies is that when you get a phone, they give you a case. And as you can see, there is a case attached. Now, it's not the best quality case, but it's just the fact they gave you a case, and usually it's clear. So we got a clear case. Hallelujah. All right, and here is the phone. Now, before we get into the phone, let's see what it says on the top. So it has a Leica 1-inch main camera, 200 megapixels telephoto, Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, a WQHD, which is 1 to 120 hertz AMOLED display. It's a long-lasting battery, has a 5,410 milliamp battery, and it's 90 wired and 80 wireless hypercharge, and it's powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS. Wireless, sold separately. And I said I got the silver version. Guys, I wasn't playing with y'all. Look at this phone. Listen. Let's go ahead and take this off so you can see the full thing. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous, amazing, and light. Now, let's compare that to our brethren over there in Korea, Samsung. So we're looking at the size. It's not as big as the one in Samsung. But let's look at the front. Oh yeah. So it does have a little bit of curvature on the edges. So if you're not a curved edge guy, this is not a phone for you, but it's not totally curved. So there won't be any accidental touches. As you can see on the side, it does have the aluminum or titanium bezel right here. I think this is aluminum. I have to double check. But it's definitely got that Oppo, OnePlus. So I think most Chinese companies that sell these phones are going with the circular. And no fault at that. I'm not a hater of the circle camera, but this is just magnificent. I mean, it's cold to the touch. But let's continue on the unboxing. Let's put that down for a second. What else do you get? Well, since I purchased this from a Chinese company, they give you a charger, but you can order these with the normal, plug. So don't you worry about that. So you might have to use an adapter for this one, where it looks like that, I guess. And you can just adapt it, but they give you a 90-watt charging brick. And then they give you the wired charging cable. How about that? So already, since this was kind of meant for the UK, and I see the boxes UK, so they're using the UK's. Wait, what is in there? Okay. Oh, okay. This is just their padding. So don't eat. So just keep that in mind. Don't eat. So I guess that holds down or scares the bugs away, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, enough with this presentation. Let's go ahead and look at the phone. So once again, what do you get with $1,300? Well, you're getting the best version of their phone. This is the Ultra. This one has the souped up specs, as I just mentioned earlier. And this has Hyper OS. And this is the global variant, which works with your Android Auto and everything in the United States. So you're not gonna worry about that. Now the price, even though it's $1,300, to me, it's well worth it because that's just kind of like the norm. Like Google's phone is about $1,100. That one actually has 16 gigs of RAM. The Samsung is like $1,500. So it's definitely, on par. And so as you can see, once you open this up, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. So let me know what you think. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my information in this phone. I'm going to use it for at least a week, and then I will get back to you of the results. But I'm very excited. I've had Xiaomi before. I had a 2-year-old generation version of it, but I did have the foldable that came out last year, which is the Mixed Fold 4 Ultra 4 or something like that. But it was a Chinese version, so clearly couldn't do much with it. But let me know if you're thinking about, abandoning ship and jumping on to an Android phone that is not Samsung, that is not Google, that is not OnePlus, and you're interested in purchasing one of these phones. Let me know in the comments below. Once again, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews. I can't wait to show you what this is going to do. Peace.